Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening only way and granting access to the microphone and notifications so audio flows smoothly. Once done, create or sign in and confirm the code to secure your profile. This prevents lost sessions. Then set language and voice profile because audio models adapt based on those choices. Make sure privacy options match your comfort. This affects sharing and local storage, so you won't face unexpected uploads mid-call. You launch a session by tapping New Session or using the shortcut to save time. Choose Live for real-time talk or message mode for asynchronous audio. Then, adjust input sensitivity and noise reduction so your voice registers clearly without clipping. This improves recognition and response speed. Use /commands, /record, /transcribe, /summarize to execute tasks quickly. As you work, watch the level meter and status indicators. You finish by saving the session to cloud or local storage and tagging it so you can retrieve it fast later. Once saved, share short links or export transcripts as TXT or SRT depending on your need. Choose compressed audio if bandwidth matters. If something goes wrong, first check microphone permissions and input selection, then restart the app. If issues persist, toggle the noise filter and retest. That quick checklist resolves most common audio capture or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.